So here's how to create a website with durable AI. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open durable AI into your Chrome browser. Now click on the generate your website option here. It will ask only a few questions to you to generate a free website for you. Now here you have to enter your website category or your business category. For now here I'm gonna select the education category. After selecting your industry, now you have to hit on the next. Moving on, here you also have to enter your current location and then click on the next. Now enter your website name and click on the generate website option. Then you have to wait for the time until your website is being generated. Here it will automatically add services page, about us page and other related things to your website. Here as you can see, it also added a map for us. Now as you can see that our website is ready. All you need to do is you have to customize your website according to your need. To customize your website, click on the customize icon or customize option at the top right corner. Here as you can see, it added our about us page, our services page, our clients page and other related things. Now you don't need to add things manually or install plugins one by one. Simply you have to add the things or remove the extra things that you don't want. Once your website is fully ready, now you have to click on the publish to publish your site. So that's how to create a website with durable AI.